त्या सांगते तुम्ही बघा, तुम्ही स्वतः एक वेळेस त्या ट्रेनने प्रवास करा, तुम्हाला माहिती पडेल. आज आमची मुलं आहेत इथे, उद्या दुसरं कोणाची असतील.
Right now, I am at Mumra railway station. Today in the morning, a very tragic and inhuman accident happened here at Mumra railway station. This is the exact spot where the accident happened. Total 4 people were dead and 14 are injured after falling from an overcrowded train at the Mumra railway station. This is the spot where I am standing. Various GRP and RPF officers are deployed over here. It is described as a very horrific incident. Now let me tell you that the train was passing from Kasara to Mumbai and total 14 passengers fall off from the train. Of that, 4 have been declared dead and the injured are being treated at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Hospital in Kalwa as well as the Jupiter Hospital. Various officers of the GRP, RPF, DIG Railway was present over here. This is the Mumra railway station and this is the exact spot where the whole tragic incident happened. Now there are various complaints coming off from the passenger organizations as well as the daily passengers, the daily office goers who travel to the offices. They say that the Mumbai locals are overcrowded and the questions are being raised at the railway administration to take appropriate steps to avoid such kinds of accidents. It is described as one of the most deadliest accidents that ever happened in Mumbai. Now, as you all know, Mumbai locals, they are always overcrowded and such accidents take place frequently. But this accident is being described as one of the most deadliest and passengers are demanding action as soon as possible.
As far as we have information, 4 has been dead and 4 are in the hospitals.
So what kind of technical advancements is the railway taking to prevent such kind of tragedy?
Okay, you are seeing there is a sharp curve and train is passing through the 100 kilometer. Both are making it dangerous. So passengers, I will appeal to the passengers, don't take risk of your life. And as far as this curve and all are concerned, railway will take care of that. We are planning and higher management is looking after this.
Sir, can you brief us about the injuries and where hospitals are the admitted?
4 persons who are injured are at Civil Hospital Talwa and 4 has been 4 who are dead has been sent to the their places.
Okay. Sir, what kind of safety measures is being taken by the RPF to avoid?
We are regularly monitoring it and we are analyzing it and trying to safeguard all the things.
Sir, but complaints were already raised on the railway administration because such kind of incidents were increasing, especially in the Diva Kalwa belt.
No. As far as these figures are concerned, they are on decreasing trend.
Okay.
We can give you figures. There was a large number of casualties in previous years. Then railway and this MRVC both are trying to reduce it, and in future we will try further to reduce it.
Okay. What kind of deployment is there, especially of the RPF and the GRP?
See, all the peak hours we are deploying maximum persons, and all are whistling as you are saying this thing. We are saying our people to be at the end of the platform, counsel the passengers, not try to. So, passengers should also think they should not risk their life by standing without any protection at the gates.
We have with us the eyewitness of the whole incident that happened today morning. क्या बताना चाहोगे, आपने क्या देखा exactly इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे और आप कहाँ पे थे?
मैं बस यहाँ से गुजर के एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रॉस ही किया था, वहाँ से एक ट्रेन गई और जब ट्रेन गई उसके बाद में सब नीचे देखने लगे तो वहाँ पे 10 बॉडी पड़ी है, 8 से 10 बॉडी कंटिन्यू ऐसा लाइन से गिरी हुई है। तो उसमें जो पहले बच सकते थे उनको पहले उठा के साइड में किया, उनको एम्बुलेंस में डाल के पहले दवाखाना भेजे और जो बॉडी जो बच नहीं सकते थे उनको पहले उठा के फिर स्टेशन के कॉर्नर पे रखे, फिर जैसा जैसा एम्बुलेंस आ गया तो एक एक को उठा के स्ट्रेचर पे डाल के यहाँ से लेके गए।
वो कौन सी ट्रेन थी जहाँ पे ये ट्रैवल कर?
इतना मालूम नहीं पड़ा, मुंबई की रहेगी लोकल ट्रेन।
और कोई पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस नाम की भी ट्रेन थी?
उतना कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया क्योंकि जब नीचे सीन देखे तो सब पहले वो पब्लिक के ऊपर ही सबका ध्यान गया, तो पहले उठा के उतर पे साइड में करने का बस।
वो 10 जनों में से कितने महिलाएं थे और कितने पुरुष?
तो पहले एक महिला दिखी, पहले उनको उठा के साइड में किया, फिर जैसे जैसे जो मिलते गए उनको उठा के साइड में किया। महिला तो थी उसमें एक, ये कंफर्म है, वो देखा हूँ।
वो ट्रैक पे गिरे हुए थे या प्लेटफॉर्म पे?
दोनों ट्रैक के बीच में गिरे थे। दोनों ट्रैक है ना उसके बीच में लाइन से गिरे हुए थे।
मुंब्रा में हुआ है।
हाँ, मुंब्रा स्टेशन के कॉर्नर से लेके थोड़ा बाहर थे।
रोज पीक आवर में इतनी गर्दी होती है यहाँ पे, और प्रशासन से क्या मांग रहेगी?
कि पीक आवर में तो गर्दी रहती ही है। अब प्रशासन भी गाड़ी छोड़ के ज़रा यहाँ से गाड़ी स्लो हो जाएगी तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि रश के टाइम पे जब गाड़ी टर्न मारती है तो जो टर्न है वहाँ पे 1-2 जन का हो ही जाता है।
या बोलो जो ट्रैक्स है दीवा मुंब्रा के बीच में, एटलीस्ट वो लोग वो ट्रैक्स को प्रॉपर करें, क्योंकि थाने से भी जो लोग चढ़ते हैं ना, वो लोग वो उनके टर्न ऐसा है वहाँ का कि लोग गिरते ही गिरते हैं, मोस्ट एक्सीडेंट्स वहीं हो रहे हैं। तो यही है कि एटलीस्ट आप लोग ट्रैक्स अच्छा करते हैं।
And from where to where were you traveling?
I was traveling from Shahar to Thane.
Acha.
Yeah,
So this happened at Mumbra.
Mumra and Kalwa.
So what are your demands? Because this is termed as a direct stretch between Kalwa and
So basically the report which is coming from DRM Mumbai, the statement which we got from the media, that this is because of the people who are standing in at the door. So people are not purposely standing at the door, it is because they want to reach on time at their office. So this is something because of inadequate services which is provided, and I believe that these three stretch, Kalwa, Mumra and Diva, three stretch, three of these are the dangerous. You should not never give fast train which is coming from Kasara, halting at Dombili, Kalyan Dombili, and then again going via Diva or somewhere. You should give a shortest distance route, and every month there is a 4 to 5 accidents happening, people losing out their life. Being an advocate, a person, tell me, is he going to stand onto the footover from his will? It is because he is not getting a space and he is standing on it. I'll tell you.
priority should be given to local trains or express trains.
So I'll tell you, when these platforms were raised, it should be like, the main express should have been gone from the other Pasig tunnel side.
Have you raised concerns about this?
Being a part of a Mumra Pravasi Sangh, we had always raised this concern, like when this platform was built new, it was estimated around 20 to 23 crores, 1 and 2 lines was built, whereas this line was supposed to be used for the fast local and the semi-fast local. Railway are using this line for the mail express as well, which is not a good part for the local public. So it's our request and our demand that this 2 lines should only be used for the local trains, where fast train and semi-fast train should be used, whereas 5th and 6th line should be used for the only for the mail express. And if you see that High Court has given a long time back an order that there should be a closed door concept, whereas government has brought up the you can see that, like what we say, AC locals they had brought, which is very costly for the common man. Government should think for the closed door concept for the economical people also. They should bring AC local at the economic park so that everybody should go safely and safely to their destination for the jobs. So it's like government and railway should consider this belt, especially this belt, to be very low economy belt. Beyond Thane, if you see, there are a lot of people who are from the low economy belt, so they can't afford the AC local. So it's our demand that this stretch, especially Thane to Dombivli, should be surveyed properly and their curve should be removed, or if it can't be removed, then there should be some safety measures which should be helpful for the common people.